I'm poking slime. Okay, let's go to it. Okay, guys, so here's my slime. Okay. Here's my Louis slime. I'm gonna put it on here. Oh, this feels good. Oh my gosh, this is every day, bro. This is every day, bro. This is every day, bro. I said this is every day. No, just kidding. I don't really know. But let's get on to the video. Today we're supposedly poking slime. Just like. Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, if you guys can't see, here's the slimy gooey. If you guys want to get one of these, get them in the family dollar. I don't know why I said that. And please subscribe and comment down below and hit the bell button and hit the bell button and hit the bell button and hit the bell button.